we've known each other for quite some time, and the students who participated in the ChemCar competition last year, they tried to find people who would be on the team this year, so we were asked to participate, and we happily decided to.
Ja, jetzt. Wunderbar. Vom Schauen. Also ich berichte, das ist hier nicht sehr viel Licht, aber das Auto.
So we have a liquid phase and then the gaseous phase with the steam, and above the steam we have the thermoelectric generators. From the bottom side they receive the hot steam, and from the top side they're cooled with an ice water bath.
We fed the hydrogen peroxide to the reactor, and the feed flow rate was not always the same, and so we had to manage a lot to keep it constant during the time and keep it reproducible.
Yeah, it took us a week to get a constant volume flux to the reactor.
So actually we are two teams. There's one team of the University of Applied Science of Münster, and the other one is of the two universities of Graz. And we're sitting here together because first of all we had a great time here, and second we used the same reactor, and that's why we thought it would be a little redundant to do the interview two times.
We are the team from the RWTH Aachen, team Skydriver. We are a team of seven students from different fields of study, biotechnology, chemistry, process engineering, and development and construction, mechanical engineering.
How did your car work?
Well, the basic explanation is we have vinegar and potassium hydrocarbonate reacting and producing carbon dioxide, which just causes a lid to rise in a cylinder, and by there the wire basically causes rotation of the back wheels.
Aber last but not least, Frau Iling sagt uns etwas über das Team und überhaupt hier irgendwie beigetragen haben.
At the end, it didn't work because the wire we had just broke twice. Yeah, that was a big breakdown. But
it has happened before, but not often. We tried nearly 100 times and it broke 4 or 5 times.
I'm Carsten, hi.
Tuli, hi. Und dann haben wir noch den vierten Arzt, der vor und rüber schaut und guckt, ob alles in Ordnung ist. Naja, was gibt es noch Wichtiges zu sagen? Die kleine Lautauswahl wäre sicherlich wichtig in dem Fall, und zwar möchten wir uns ganz gerne noch an Herrn Kunz bedanken.
Yeah, we're from Clausthal Zellerfeld. We are studying chemical engineering. We're doing a master course. And,
And how does your car work? No, like scientifically.
Scientific.
It's an electrochemical reaction.
Wir sind sehr gespannt, was so passiert. Ja, das Auto fährt noch weiter. Diejenigen, die es nicht wissen, Das ist etwa 25 cm Potenzial und bewegt sich noch weiter. Jetzt gibt es
competition and some special requirements you have to acquire, and you have to, an idea, build a concept, and then build the car itself. And today you have the competition with other groups with the same for the same competition for the same thing, and that's really interesting, as you may see that it's difficult to handle that idea, and that was really funny.
To get rid of all the small problems coming up all the time, every day. You think you are ready with everything, you can calibrate the car, and 2 weeks to go, everything is fine, and then every day a new problem comes and you have to see how you manage it. It made a lot of fun to discuss about it, and in which way we solve the problem.
My name is Tobias Göcke, and I study chemical engineering at the TU Dresden in Germany, and I'm in the 3rd year, and this is my team member.
I am Tom Older. I study at the University of Dresden too, and I am in the 3rd term of my chemical engineering study.
Our car works with a reaction which consumes CO2, and we have CO2 and calcium chloride, and this react to calcium carbonate. And the problem we have to mention in this project was that the diffusion of the CO2 in the liquid is not so high, not so good, so that we have to use the enzyme to speed up this to the limit of the diffusion. So we need the stir to very high transfer surface, so that the amount of CO2 is so high that the car will drive.
Hallo erstmal, also wir zeigen unseren Wagen genauso an wie